Welcome back, you guys. Today I'm going to share how to accomplish this Euphoria Rue look. So it's super easy. I'm going to be showing you how to do the hair and the makeup for your last minute DIY Halloween costume. So let's get started. Okay, so for the hair tutorial section, I'm going to show you guys how to accomplish the same look two different ways. One with wet hair, one with dry hair, just in case you are in a rush and you don't, have time to wash your hair and do this whole thing. I'm going to show you guys another alternative on how to accomplish the same beautiful textury vibe with dry hair. But before we start with this portion, I'm going to apply some Blue Shine refining mist onto my hands and then run it through my hair on one side and then the other. You don't need a lot. The point of the Blue Shine mist is so that your hair doesn't become frizzy. Okay, so once I'm done with that, running it through my hair, I'm going to part it down the center and then take some sections. Now, they don't have to be very small. They can be like medium to big. You can honestly alternate on the sections. And then just braid. That's it. That is how you achieve that like 90s grungy vibe to your hair. So it's super simple. Now, of course, if you have shorter hair, this is gonna take you literally no time. With longer lengths, it might take you a little bit longer, but it's still very simple, very easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and braid my hair all the way down. And once I get to the end, I'm just gonna apply a small rubber band. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the braids, and then I'll be back with step number 2. Okay, so I'm done braiding this side. I went ahead and started braiding the other side as well, but we're literally just repeating the same steps to both sides. Grabbing some sections of hair. They don't have to be perfect. That's what makes this look so easy. The sections don't have to be perfect. They don't all have to be the same size. It's actually best if some are smaller, some are bigger. It just gives you more of that textured feel, which I love, that 90s like crimped look. And then we're just gonna braid. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish braiding this side of my head. Okay, so now that you're done braiding your hair, you have two options. If you did this on damp or wet hair, all you have to do is take your InStyler 7X Smart Dryer and then dry the braids through. The heat that's gonna conduct is gonna help set the braids so that when you take them out, they're nice and wavy. So let me go ahead and show you guys that. The fastest blow dry ever. This blow dryer is just so amazing. Okay, so if you did it on dry hair, all you have to do is take your InStyler Sarah Silk Ceramic Flat Iron and then just run it through the braids. Now you're doing the same thing, you're just applying a little bit of heat so that when you take the braids out after you're done doing your makeup, they are nice and wavy. So you'll just do that and run it through all of the braids. You can take 2 braids at a time. This method is super quick, as is the other one. You can take 1 braid at a time, whatever it is that you'd like to do, and all you have to do is just run it through and then let the braid set. So let's go ahead and move into the makeup portion. To start my makeup, I'm gonna go ahead and pin these braids out of the way and let them finish setting. Now, I already did my complexion. I did my eyebrows, my foundation, concealer, and a little bit of blush. I feel like Rue in the show doesn't wear a ton of makeup. It's more so like this beautiful eye look, so that's what we're gonna focus on. And the eye look is so simple and so effective for this spooky season situation. So the first thing that I'm going to do is just take this Wet n Wild, I haven't even taken the thing off, take this Wet n Wild Frosty eyeshadow. Now, when I was looking at pictures, it feels like it's a little bit like orangey bluey purple, like kind of like this, I don't know, iridescent feel to it. So I'm gonna layer a couple of colors, but again, it's super easy. Like you can literally do it with the lights off, back of a cab. Like this is just such an easy look. And I'm gonna take this blue color and I'm just gonna run it on my lid. And it has a really beautiful sparkle to it, so it's gonna do all the wonders for you. Just like that. You can honestly blend it out with your finger or you can blend it out with a brush. I'm gonna grab a brush just to be fancy. So I'm just gonna take it and blend it into the crease. And do the same thing on the other side. So this is what we have so far. Now on top of this, I'm going to layer another color, and it's from the same Wet n Wild liquid eyeshadow. Let me go ahead and remove the wrapper off of this. And I'm gonna layer it on top of the blue to start creating like an iridescent look to it. And then just smudge it out with the brush. And what I love is that you don't have to be too careful because the look is very grungy. So you don't have to be like super careful with this. Very pretty. Same thing on the other side. Perfect. Okay, so once I've layered the two liquid crystal eyeshadows, I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild palette. Now, I love Wet n Wild during the season because I feel like they just come out with the cutest, super affordable collections to be able to create all your spooky affairs. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild 32 pan eyeshadow palette, and I'm just gonna select this purpley shimmer color with my fingers and place it onto my lid for an even more iridescent feel. And this is gonna start giving it that like smoky, grungy look that she has on the show. And as I mentioned, it's like very easy to accomplish. You don't need too many tools. You can honestly do all of this with your finger, being super fancy with a brush. And then it starts showing like both colors, like that coppery color, the blue color, all the colors that we've layered on the eye. Grab a black eyeliner and then just run it through your waterline. Then take the same brush that you were using and then just smudge out the bottom. Just so that you have that nice, grungy, I cried today, hardcore look. So after smudging underneath my eye, I just curled my lashes and applied some mascara. And you're literally almost done. I feel like it wouldn't be a look if you weren't crying glitter. So I'm just gonna take some glitter and then just apply it right underneath my eye. Let's see, shad. Look at that. I'm just gonna be crying some glitter. what's great about this Halloween look is that you literally let your hair be until you're done and ready to go. With the glitter, you just kind of put it wherever. So cute. Last but not least, add some lip gloss. And your makeup is done. So cute. Okay, so now all you have to do is just take out the braids and get ready to party. How cute is this? Like, I'm literally dying. Like, this was so simple and so easy to accomplish, and you have a bomb Halloween Euphoria inspired, Rue inspired costume. Now, to add to it, I got this from Amazon, and I'm just gonna throw this on to be extra and finish off the look. If I can get this on, oh my God, I can't even dress myself. Wardrobe malfunction. Okay, here we go. I got it. I knew I could do this. Can I? Oh my God, I can. Okay, cool. So now that we have this on, your outfit is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you on the next one.